Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and we're just starting 2018 and everyone's on that get fit, get active vibe, and I thought I'd join in with the Fitbit Flex 2 here. So we're going to start off with an unboxing, setup, and then testing it out as well, and giving you a real living review and actually really testing it out during my lifestyle. This one, you can use it for so many great features. So I've chose Fitbit Flex 2 because I want to go swimming and use it when I'm doing the washing up or when I'm having a shower. I don't have to worry about taking it off, which I had to do with my Apple Watch. So on the front here you can see the name. So you've got Fitbit Flex 2. It's a black coloured band. It comes in multiple different colours. So we have a fitness wristband here. And then you can see different things that it tracks that I can go into more detail here for you in a little while. Then down the right hand side you can see the tracker itself, which is quite small. Your wristband that you're going to wear, which is black. Then also what comes in the box. We turn it around to the left hand side. Again, you see your tracker and the compatibility of changing the bands, using a pendant or using a clip. So this is very versatile and you can use with multiple accessories. I also leave a link in the description where you can go and buy these as well. So if we turn it around to the back, this is where we're going to see our main information. Activity, which counts your steps, distance, calories burned, and auto exercise recognition. So it will try and detect what exercises you do, then also update your dashboard. You have sleep, so auto sleep tracking and silent alarm. So we can track our sleep through the night and see how well we're sleeping when we've actually burnt off our energy. So changeability, interchangeable bands, clips, pendants, and styles that you can use for your tracker. So it doesn't have to be a wristband. You can accessorize it and make it look as good as what you want it to. And up here at the top, we have swim. It can track swimming and water resistant up to 50 meters, which is absolutely great. So underneath sleep, we've got about notifications. So you'll get call and text notifications with LED lights and vibrations. So different lights mean different things and different vibration means different things. Then under here it syncs with PC, Mac, Android and iOS. There is a Fitbit app that you will need to download from either the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. I'm going to show you that shortly. And then down here at the bottom you can earn badges, connect with your friends and compete with your friends to see how well they're doing. And also you can log food, weight and more. So let's get into the unboxing itself. So just down here at the bottom, it's just a bit of tape that you need to cut, and there's a handy tab to pull out your wristband here. So inside here we have our charging device here, so we can then charge our little tracker, which has the tracker already plugged in. You then have your strap, which is adjustable. Pull these out and adjust the length of your strap. The choice is yours. Then also you have a larger style strap for if your wrist is bigger, so we're going to have to use this one. It's nice that they include a smaller one just in case. And to set up, we need to go into the application, safety and warranty information there. Nice little booklet to read through. I just want to show you how to place your tracker in the charger and make sure you actually plug your charger in either to your computer or into a plug as well, just to get it charged up and make sure it is fully charged, as you do need an LED light flashing so it can connect to your app as well on your smartphone. So as you see on the charger, you've got some little gold pins there. What you need to do is align these up with the little gold pins that are on here. So just make sure that they sit in the same place. Nice and easy like that. And then it will flash different colors and it will pulsate white for every 25%. Then it will flash this green color when done. So when you place inside your wristband, what you need to do is take the tracker out. Just be careful with it at all times. If I just flip around here, you see this little diamond dot here. And if we look on the tracker, you see a diamond dot again. You need to place the two dots next to each other. Then this means you've got the tracker the right way up. So just place that in there. Then just pull the band a little bit. There you go, you feel it. And then just make sure that the seals are all the way around. There we go. And then our tracker is ready to put on. If I just bring this up close, you can see there's some little LED dots in there, which are going to flash different colors. And then of course it's going to vibrate as well. With your iPhone or Android device, find the Fitbit app in your Google Play Store or the iOS App Store here. And what we're going to do is download this and then we're going to open it up. So we're going to join Fitbit. So now it's going to ask us a few personal details, which we're going to go through and fill in. So height and weight. So once you're logged in with all your details here and we're into our profile now, we can set up new device. You're going to hit the Fitbit Flex 2, which is down the list a little bit. Flex 2, set up. Agree to the terms and conditions here. Just showing you about your charger. Just showing you how to place in the charger like I have said. Place it into the band, which I've shown you. Then place the band onto your wrist. So we're going to do that now. So it's now on my wrist. I hold the two here. I'm going to hit next. It says hold close to each other. So tap your wristband. So I heard a vibration there. So it's just connecting to Fitbit now. And as you can see, there's blue light there as well. Any process that you're having any issues with, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So my Fitbit Flex battery is low. Okay. So what we need to do is make sure that we actually charge that up, and you can update tracker. So your battery might be a little bit too low. So make sure you plug in, charge up your battery, and then you might be able to do the update via the device, or you may have to put back in to your strap. So we can try again. So yes, so we tried again and it's updating now while plugged in, but because it's linked to our account, it'll work straight away. So what I'm going to do is update this and come back when done. Okay, so it's all done, so we can hit continue. I'm going to place the tracker back into the wristband. So now it's going to walk us through the basics. So I'm going to hit next. So our daily step goal is 10,000 steps to see your progress. Our battery is low, but it will show you your progress. So your Flex 2 will show incoming calls and it will look like this. It's showing you down. So automatically track your sleep, which is great. And now it's showing you a picture of different LED notifications that you'll see on your wristband, which means different things. So you have receiving a call, alarm, reminder to move, and text message. So we're going to hit next. And exercise tracking, so it will try and detect what exercise you are doing. And you can customize with different bands, pendants, and different styles as well, as it's showing you now. Again, the link will be in the description. So just on this page, it's saying to always take your tracker out and clean after swimming, clean the wristband now and again, and take the tracker off just a couple of times just to make sure it doesn't rub or wear on your wrist. And we're done. So hit done, and now it's in my list and it will start to track my exercise. And then in a couple of weeks, I'll show you how well my dashboard is doing and how well we're getting on with the Fitbit Flex 2. Thanks always for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and setup of the Fitbit Flex 2, and I'll see you very soon with a full review. Bye for now.